Hello, in this video we're going to teach you how to install Microsoft Windows on our tablets. For this example, we're going to be using our 800QW model. Now this method works for pretty much every Windows tablet with the exception of the 785, which has a completely different method. But for every other model, this works just fine. First, you're going to need a USB hub. You're going to need a USB keyboard or a mouse, as well as a USB with the firmware on it. This USB drive has to be 3.0. You can actually find the firmware on our website. However, when you install the firmware, Now that we have the firmware installed and downloaded onto our USB hard drive, we're going to connect everything to the hub. So first we take our USB drive, hook it up to the hub. We then take our USB keyboard, and lastly we take our USB cable, which is right here, connect to the hub here. Connect it to the tablet's OTG cable, and then directly to the tablet. From there, we take our keyboard and we boot up the tablet. Now, once it's booting up, you hit the F7 key. When you see that screen, you should get this menu. From there, we're going to select our USB drive and select Enter. From there, it's going to be loading up the installation files. Now it's beginning the installation. Now it's going to begin the installation. The installation process takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So you're in for quite a long wait. Okay, now that our installation is completed for Windows, we're going to see this prompt at here. So from there, we're just going to type exit and then push enter. We then disconnect this. I'm going to reconnect the power outlet, the power cable adapter, so that it stays charged. So now it's going to take a while to load. Now that Windows has booted up, it's now going to install Office 365. This process takes about maybe another 5 to 10 minutes, so you're in for a long wait. Now that Office has been installed, if you noticed, we didn't need to do anything to reinstall Office, as it's all automatic. So now that everything's installed, you'll see a system preparation tool. From there, you just click reboot or shutdown, and then push OK. And then from there, it's going to reboot, and it's going to give you the out-of-box experience that you normally get from Windows.